The moment of truth. Thanksgiving is over, but the battle has just begun. The enemy. Leftovers. They wait, they watch, they multiply. I'm just trying to get a little snack, you know? Just a tiny little bite. Okay. Deep breath. Here we go! What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! It's an avalanche! A Tupperware tidal wave! Turkey! Stuffing! Cranberry sauce everywhere! I can't see! Is that gravy in my hair? I knew I shouldn't have stacked them so high. This is madness. It's a culinary catastrophe. I just wanted a piece of pie. Wait, what's this? Could it be? Yes. The mashed potatoes. I got 'em! Victory is mine! I have conquered the fridge. It was all worth it. Totally worth it. I regret nothing. Now, where's the microwave? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more post-holiday survival tips.